Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to add null card to Google Wallet. Is it possible? Adding a null card to Google Wallet on Android isn't currently supported. Users attempting this often face errors as Google Wallet doesn't allow direct addition of null cards. To digitize your null card, Android users need to use the official Null Pay app, which transfers your physical card data via NFC and automatically deactivates the original card. Once digitized, your null card lives entirely in the Null Pay app, not Google Wallet. For Huawei device users, the null card can be added directly to Huawei Wallet, bypassing Google Wallet completely. Always remember, the correct name is null card, not null. So make sure you're using the official app and steps to avoid errors and enjoy seamless contactless use. Additionally, check your app for updates regularly as new features or wallet integrations may be introduced, improving compatibility and convenience for your digital null card. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.